folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I have the Nectar Baker's Oven XL, also known as the Vermont Bun Baker XL. So today I'm just going to do a technical overview for you. I'm going to show you inside the firebox, how the stove arrives, what needs to be put together. Show you the construction of the stove a little bit and your damper controls. Nectar is an Australian made originally. So this stove has been imported from Australia, but Dimplex, which is a US based company, actually bought out their Cookstove line. So the Nectar, the Bun Baker, and the Bun Baker XL, Baker's Oven, Big Baker's Oven, also known as, will eventually be made in the United States. So you'll have primary draft control located on the bottom of the firebox, and then your oven control is going to be located on the bottom of the oven. So inside your firebox, you will get these two pieces of metal here, nice thick heavy material. Those are going to attach to your sidewalls inside the firebox. Your instruction manual will come with these little knobs and levers that will need to be attached. So this handle here is going to be your rear flue control. You do need to screw this inside to the stove. I'm going to show you inside here. So this is inside the flue damper, where you will be connecting your outer damper control rod. And this is actually, you can see that screw in there, and this is going to control this rear draft control. So that'll open you right up there into the firebox. So pretty simple design as far as the flue draft goes. So it's kind of nice that these side panels for the inner firebox are not installed. This thing is heavy. Like, this is some thick 1/4 inch steel, very heavy duty. Could not see this burning through anytime soon. But actually it's nice because you can take these items out if you're moving the stove to help lighten it up. I would say like each of these side panels are, oh man, maybe like 25, 30 pounds. Okay, so these are your sidewall panels taken out of the stove. So they're going to attach, you can see inside the firebox here, in the corner is where the panels will attach. The Bun Baker XL does have a fire brick lined firebox with a cast iron grate on the back and the top of the firebox. So you can see the cook plates. So when you take off these cook plates, there are no baffles or reburn tubes up here. So you would definitely have access for direct flame or wok style cooking. In the back rear here, you can see is going to be the damper plate, which will need to be connected. Okay, so the Bun Baker XL is going to have fire brick on the rear, and then like the front lip of the stove here, you're going to have 1/4 inch thick plate steel on the bottom and both sides of the firebox. And then we've already seen the top of the firebox, which is basically exposed up here. Very simple design, just 2 draft controls, so very easy to use. So the Bun Baker XL comes with 6 different levels that you can actually put your oven racks on. So 3 different brackets with 6 different total options to adjust your level. This is nice because it does come with 2 oven racks. Most of them just come with 1, and if you want one, you have to get 1 extra. I guess one thing I don't really prefer about the oven is that it is a flat painted finish for the interior. I definitely prefer to have like a porcelain or a stainless lined oven just for cleaning purposes overall. But on the oven door, it's a nice fully gasketed Nice thick gasket material. Okay, this is the front side view with the draft control on the Bun Baker XL, wide open. So I'm hoping you guys can see in here, but it's really difficult to see on the film. But up here, in between these, okay, there we go. There's the air control. Just that sweet angle to get it to show up. Okay, there it is. So the rod on the left-hand side, the top front rod, this is going to open and close this draft control. So pulled out or all the way to the left is going to be open, pushed in to the right is closed.